Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to perform an experiment on measurement of this earth resistance using an earth tester. This is an earth tester to measure the resistance of this earth. The maximum value we are supposed to get is 1 ohm to 5 ohm. Here you can see here you are going to have 4 terminals. The potential terminals are E1 and E2. The current terminals are P1 and P2. So in order to perform this test, you require 4 electrodes. So this is nothing but red color wire we are given in a sequence. This is electrode 1, this is another electrode, electrode 2, like this we have electrode 3 and electrode 4. Each electrode has to be separated by a distance of 2 meters apart. After performing this test, we will get a resistance in the range of 10 ohm. So that's why you have to move the slide button to 10 ohm range and you have to measure the resistance. If the available resistance is less than 5 ohm, then I can pick an area for performing an earthing on this location. Now let us try to measure the test. Okay. So now we will do this experiment with the help of these students, and first we will identify a location here. Okay. So use the tape and keep 2 meters distance. 2 meters is nothing but 200 centimeters. Okay. So identify the location from here 200. So now we kept electrode 1 from electrode 2 at a distance of 200 centimeter. Next, electrode 2 to 3, we are using a color code. First color code is red, next color code is yellow, next color code is blue, and next color code is black. So our students are performing now how to connect it. So you have to do the hammering and to insert into the earth. Okay. So now from blue to black, again we should maintain a distance of 2 meters. Okay. So now we should hammer it and we should insert into the earth. So now we are getting the 4 electrodes. So now bring the 4 electrodes. This is electrode 1. So this is nothing but R. You connect at point E1, which is nothing but voltage point. Next one R. So next one is R is completed. Next one is yellow, connected P1. Next electrode is blue, connected P2. Next electrode is yellow and this. So after connecting it, actually this should be in initially off condition. We should apply the water. So now you can see here we should apply the water and check all the connections should be tight. So if you have loose connection, it will not give the value. Okay, and each electrode you should water. Okay, so he will hammer it and he will applying the water. And similarly, this electrode also you have to check. So still now it is we are doing in the lawn, we have a lot of moisture, definitely you will get the value. Okay. So now I am doing in an linear fashion, we can do it in square type also. So now let us try to check it the value. So as soon as you turn it on, just turn it on and use this test button. As soon as you hold the test button, excellently it is giving the value. The value of this resistance is 2.7 ohm, which is an acceptable range of earth resistance. So now what this meter is doing is, this will has an battery inside. So internally it has an battery. Okay. So you can have internally 4 batteries are there inside, and this will apply the voltage. Okay. So this will apply the voltage to the E1 as well as E2 voltage, and it will also measure the current V by I directly. R will be indicated in this meter. So when you keep it in off and just slide it to 10 ohms, already we know the range, the earth resistance will be less than 5 ohm. Move it to 10 ohms range and just hold this test button, it will show the value as 2.8 ohms. Okay. So 2.8 is 100% acceptable. Therefore I can conclude this lawn is suitable for earthing, and you can connect the grounding here by performing earthing techniques, rod type of earthing, plate type of earthing. Now the same configuration you can do it for 3 meters apart, then also you will get the resistance range of around 4 ohms. Now let's try to, so this linear you may not understand, or a straight line you can't understand better. Now let us try to make like a square with 2 meters apart. Okay. So now you can see how the students are doing. So this is separated by 0, 2 meters, and now again we are taking the yellow. So before doing this, just keep it in off condition. So from red to yellow 2 meters, from yellow to here we will keep again 2 meters. So again from there we have to make an circle. Okay. So this is R, Y, yellow, and let's try to pick up the next electrode and see that this should come in a straight line. Okay, so here it is 2, and automatically you will get the one more location there. Just use the tape, we can measure it. So just keep a distance of 200 centimeter and connect it to the wire. Okay, so just hammer it, and just after hammering you should apply the water. Okay, just apply some water. So after giving it, just keep it in, just move the slide button from 0 to 10 ohms range. Okay, when you move from 0 to 10 ohms range, and just water the 4 electrodes. Okay, and just hold the test button. As soon as you hold the test button, excellently it is giving the value which is in the range of 1.5 ohm, which is an acceptable range. Then what is the conclusion from this experiment? So you have electrode 1, electrode 2, electrode 3, electrode 4. This square is 100% suitable to perform grounding as well as earthing. So you can dig an grounding here, and you can connect an rod here to the upper earth point, such a way that if you do this type of configuration, never the human being will die due to electrical shock. That's what the importance of this experiment, measuring earth resistance using an meter called as a earth tester. Okay, so this is the purpose of earth tester. Hope you are able to understand. The remaining experiments of the first year R23 regulation you can watch in our channel. You have the complete theoretical calculation as well as practical calculation. You may get doubt whether this answer is correct or not. So theoretical value you should get it from 0 to 5 ohm. Exactly we had got 1.6 ohm, which is an 100% acceptable. So I had done it for 2 meters apart. You can do it for 3 meters square also, or you can do it for 4 meters also, then you can get better values. So hope you are able to understand the video. We will meet in the another video.